Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you my healthy lifestyle morning routine for your mind, body, and soul, and steps you can take to really change your life just by incorporating it into your mornings.
Get your heart back, gotta get your love back. You know I need you.
And as always, don't forget to check my links below for live sessions, my ebook, and free secrets. Good morning! So the first thing I do is wake up really early. I notice that it just helps start my day off right. Preferably I wake up before the sun comes up at around 6:30 in the morning, so I have enough time before work to do everything I need for my mind, body, and soul. Now, before jumping into my morning routine, I make sure not to look at my text messages and social media because I get so consumed in it and so much time goes by. Instead, I like to focus on gratitude, all I want to get done that day, and save the phone for after our morning routine. Then I grab an ice cold bottle of water. You just want to hydrate and awaken your body after sleeping for so long. And I put on a really soothing playlist before heading down to the gym. I find that it helps my mindset and it helps me start my day calm and reflective. Then I go into a private room. You can do this in your gym, in your home, and I just stretch out my body. Stretching, I notice, just helps me get rid of any pains and stiffness and gets the blood flow going before starting a busy day. Now, if you guys want me to do a whole stretching routine video, comment me down below letting me know. I like to really take my time with stretching because flexibility is so important. And a huge tip when stretching I want to add is to take really deep breaths and to adjust enough time in your day to not rush it, because stretching is all about peace of mind, taking your time and not feeling rushed. So I like to set aside about 30 minutes to do this. Next, it's all about getting your heart rate up, so I like to do the treadmill or some kind of cardio machine for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I'm really not a cardio person though, I have to be honest. I like weight training much more, which I normally do in the afternoon, but on a really healthy lifestyle morning routine, I try to do cardio in the morning. Now, after getting a nice good sweat, working up your heart rate, and just getting your endorphins going, it's time to shower and get ready for breakfast and the day. Now that the sun is up and I'm showered and fresh, it is time to make one of my favorite breakfast metabolism boosting drinks. I can do another video on it if you want, but I pretty much just add some lemon, cayenne pepper into my water. I notice it just helps detox my body and awakens me. Now, I do put this drink in a tumbler because I like to take it with me. Since it is my second cup of water of the day, it's kind of hard for me just to chug, so yeah. Now, if you guys don't want to use the cayenne pepper, you can just add a lemon. I just find that the cayenne pepper adds an extra kick, and I've read really good health benefits on it. A lot of this stuff in my morning routine, by the way, is in my ebook, which is linked down below, as well as a lot of other beauty hacks, mindset secrets, and so much more. So check out my ebook in the description. Now, any of you who are still watching, comment down below your favorite breakfast so I know that you're at the 4-minute mark, or you can just simply comment 4-minute mark so I can show you lots of love. For breakfast, I typically like to make some kind of protein and carb. Today I'm doing 2 eggs and some potatoes that I had already baked in the oven and I just reheated in my pan. And of course I need a condiment. I either use ketchup or red hot type of salsa, whatever. I always need something. Comment below if you're the same. Now I just eat my breakfast, drink my water, hydrate, and this is where I finally check my phone, catch up on social media, text messages, emails, and whatever I need to do today. And depending on the morning, sometimes I find that putting a motivational video on my laptop and just watching it or catching up on YouTube really helps me get happy. I don't know, it's so weird, but what you watch in the morning can really contribute to the mood you're in that day. Alright guys, that was my morning routine. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Anita Samantha so you can constantly see what I'm eating, drinking, posting on my story. Follow me there, subscribe, and I love you guys. Turn your notifications on so I can see you in my next video. Mwah!